Anderson's bike can't get started. We can't get it started.
What's going on, you guys? YZ250F William here, aka William Wynn. We're at Anderson's house today, as you can see. You got the 150 behind us. You guys probably are having a feeling where this is going because the last TTR we were talking just like this.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
We're wearing the same shirt.
Oh, really?
Or blue, not the same shirt. Anyways, we got the 150 right here, and what exactly is going on, Anderson?
It's getting sold.
It's getting sold. You guys heard, it's getting sold. I just picked up the new KTM 250XC not too long ago. So now it's Anderson's turn to get that bike sold. We're moving on to a full-size bike for him. We're moving on to a big bike, big old 250 for him. And that's what we're looking for next, 250 4-stroke. Either a Honda or Yamaha, one or another. But we got the CRF 150, 2015 CRF 150 RB Expert Edition right behind us. We're getting it sold. It has been a big part of this channel. It's done a lot and taught Anderson right here. It's been a big and huge part of our channel. And yeah, it's finally getting sold. Trying to move on to a new bike. We're all getting new bikes rapidly. So that'll be pretty cool when he gets a new bike. And you ready? Dream. Okay, yeah. All right, guys. So I'm going to get this bike sold. And I'll catch this video, honestly, whenever we buy him a new bike. So whenever that day comes. So see you guys. As you guys saw in the past video, the KTM outsoling riding, that was literally yesterday. Well, today we're going riding again, so 2 days in a row. We're actually going to Wamball today. We're gonna hit the South Loop since I hit North yesterday, but today's actually not all about that. Like I said, we sold the 150, but we did pick up Anderson's new rig. He's upstairs getting ready, so I was going to film this so I can get loaded up instead of filming when I get to Wamball. So I'm going to show you guys right here. We got a new upgrade for him. New upgrade to the family. It's a 250, so I'm not the only big bike now, so we're on big bikes now besides Hudson. Hudson's next and we'll all be on big bikes, so we're both on big bikes now, and I'm stoked and excited to see how this goes. So let's go ahead and reveal it. 3, 2, 1. Thing looks good. So this is a 2011 YZ250F. It's a YZ250 but the 4-stroke version. The engine, all the shebang looks pretty decently clean. The only aftermarket part is new chain, sprocket, rims, and new tires. And it has a FMF aluminum F4.1 is what it looks like. And then you got some ODI lock-on grips. Then got the Pro Taper bar, Pro Taper pad. But yeah, here's the bike. It looks great. Got the KTM, rode it yesterday. Puppy's looking good. It's a little dirty. Nothing too major because it's just more dry sand yesterday. So, but that's not the point right now. Yeah, we got the new bike right here. Got Hudson's bike over there. Got a moped, which is not mine, so we're not going to talk about it. So, we got the old YZ250F. Actually, before I was supposed to buy that KTM, I was thinking about YZ250FX, which is the cross-country version. But so I went with a 2-stroke XC with the electric start and fuel injection, which is sick. I'm so in love with that bike. But Anderson's extremely happy with his bike so far. Let's see how he performs today. So, yeah, if you guys like the new bikes of the family, go ahead and drop a like on this video and subscribe if you're new. Bike's looking good. We're about to take it out for a rip. Yeah, 2011. It's all he can afford in his budget. So, I mean, at least he got something to ride and upgrade to a bigger bike. So, I'm stoked. I'm excited for him. And, yeah, let's get to ripping. I'll catch you guys at Wamball Cycle Trail.
Alright guys, we're back. Like I said, I already did the intro at home, but we are out here, Wamball Cycle Trail, hitting good old South Loop today. We got Anderson leading. He's in the front with this new 2011 YZ250F, so we'll see how that goes. I let him have my old Yamaha gloves as a little warming gift to the new bike. So we're out here, we got the squad out here. I literally was here yesterday, but I hit north. So let's see how South Loop is today, and let's just have a good time and vibe out. Hope everybody's a wonderful day as much as we are. It's a Sunday, beautiful day here. Temperatures about 75, so it's gorgeous out here today. Dang, Anderson, hop on the bike and already left. Woo! Man, it makes me so happy seeing like the progress. I mean Hudson too, but we're talking about Anderson today. See the progress when he started on that little TTR at first, 2004 TTR 125, and now then he moved up to CRF 150 RB 2015, and now he's up to 2011 YZ250F, which is a lot of bikes. So I'm definitely happy for him. he looks happy with it, so that's all that matters. And it feels so good to be on the bike. My bike, I literally rode it yesterday. Filled up gas this morning and ready to rip some more. Have some fun. Can't complain to be out here. Hudson definitely made progress too. I remember back then he could not rail those turns like that. It would just blank fall. So definitely we all made progress for sure. Look at him go. I'm so proud of him, man. So happy for him. I saw riding dirt bikes for Anderson did since I was a kid, and he would always look at me and we always wish he can have one, but we couldn't afford one. So now I'm so happy that he has one, and it's crazy. I have my own group to ride with. I started off with no one to ride with, so I'm so happy, you know, having everyone here today to ride as a group together. Thanks to my good godfather. He's always like, I treat him like if he was my real father. So if you're watching this video, thank you so much for you. Without you, there'd be no dirt bikes. So you got me into it, and without your friends, I don't think I would learn much either. So thank you so much just to be out here. Now, of course, I'm thankful for my real father, of course, but he works a lot, and he's not really into stuff like how I am. Oh, mud. Hey, for Hudson. Anderson's love out there, he's just moving. Man, you go through these whoops, you stand up so much, you kind of get tired, but then when you sit down, your butt cheeks have a blister. I feel mine forming already from yesterday too. Uh-oh. You alright? Nice.
Oh my gosh.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I never ripped so far.
Hey, so you're moving pretty fast for your first time.
I was catching up a little bit. I was in top 4, and I couldn't turn fast.
How was the bike though? It's good. Does it feel good? You look like you're feeling good on it.
I'm gonna take a break. I rode so hard to the point my lips started getting dry.
Oh, bugs. Good.
I saw you weren't catching up, so then I rode faster and faster.
Yeah, I stay back so then I can go fast. And I don't have to breathe your smoke.
We did good.
Oh yeah, you're definitely doing good for your first time on that bike.
Oh, I cannot find you.
So every time you hop on, you're just gone. Every stop, you're just gone.
Where's the gas at?
It's on the left side. Are you trying to turn it off?
Yeah.
It's on the frame, like a little up on the frame.
Where?
Like right here. Look. The frame right here, it's like right here.
Under?
Yeah. Oh, so many bugs.
It is hot today.
Why is this still under here?
Alright, we'll take a break. I'm so freaking pissed. Oh, these freaking gnats everywhere. Or mosquitoes, what the heck they are. Andrew's bike can't get started. We can't get it started. The choke, it literally worked this morning, and now it doesn't. Like we pull it out, it won't stay there. It gets popped back in. As soon as we pull it out, and then it starts. As soon as it just pops right in. It starts for a second, right? It pop in. But when we hold it, doesn't work. So annoying. Look how many's on him. This is ridiculous.
Look at the mosquitoes.
Holy crap, dude.
Look to your bottom right, bro.
Let me go see where the nearest service road is. Have your phone on you. See if I can find a service road. Push as far as we can so I can. Gosh, it's a long way to walk, man. There's no way. Bro, it's all the way out here. This is after you right here gets to the whoopee section. There's absolutely no way we can. Holy crap! It's a long haul, man. Bugs. It's like a million of them around us. So frustrating. This day has not been going well at all. Literally, when we woke up, we leave at 8. Then we didn't leave until 9:30 because Anderson's boots somewhere got lost. Can't find it. Took us a whole hour to get it done. Straps start messing up and won't stay tight like how it normally does. I don't know. So frustrated right now. I don't know why we last year had so much bug. Last year had none. We could sit there for hours. Now we can't sit there for a freaking minute without a single 1,000 mosquitoes biting us. I mean, I'm going with all scratch marks and all face and neck and everything. So freaking annoying. I think that's Hudson. So many bugs. Dude. Dude, this is like the closest service road.
This far.
That's a long way for him to walk. Is he walking?
Yep.
That's a long freaking way.
You can't like strap it.
There's no way I could tow it with the dirt bike because we might fall. It's not easy.
And plus you don't have a strap or anything.
Yeah, I would have to run to the truck.
Are we going to left or right?
That's the closest way back. It's mile 16. We got 2 miles. But that's a long way for him to walk. Look, I can get the truck through here, but what I'm saying is why I don't understand why his choke's not working, man. I don't have any cold water at the truck. Forgot the Yeti, and I don't freaking know at this point. Freak.
You pissed off?
Well, I wouldn't be as pissed off, but it's not because it's so hot. It's just the bugs are so annoying. The choke worked this morning, but now it doesn't want to work. It's just frustrating how the day started with nothing working, and now it's not working either.
Now you gotta fix it.
And now I gotta work on dirt bike again. I don't even know what to do, man. I seriously don't. All I can think about is run back at the truck, man. That's all I can think about. And you might have to go with me so we can load this thing up fast.
We're going to take the space through there.
I don't. You're not actually allowed to do that, man. I don't know at this point. I feel so bad for this kid, man. Let's just go the regular way. Come on, we gotta haul. How do you back in the truck? Go back to that road where we just saw right now. Hopefully he can walk his bike by the time we get the truck there. Get these bikes loaded up and get back there. Come on, Hudson. out rushing home, first parking lot, so I can get changed up. And right, Hudson get there, he can get changed, and we'll load up the bikes and go right away. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got the man Anderson. The truck reveal is not here yet, so we're not gonna show you guys the truck, but we are in my truck right now. We got the bikes in the back. I don't know if you guys can see that.
He survived.
They'll probably see it here. He survived. He's here alive. Thank goodness for one of the guys that a rope towed him closer. So we drove down the street. We saw him. We backed it in the trailer, and we were getting swarmed by bugs loading up. But here we are. We loaded up. So here we go. We're heading home. Finally. I'm so happy we're heading home. And the straps weren't working at first when me and Hudson were at the parking lot. I was getting so frustrated, man. Like today was just terrible.
Those mosquitoes.
Those mosquitoes are bad. So I went to the gas station, got Gatorade, feel fresh again, and Anderson's here's alive. So
He's not dead.
he's not dead. We thought he would be. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, turn post notifications on, don't share as well. We got Hudson here, had a great time. We got Anderson here, had a good time, other than the bad times. And hope you guys enjoy the new YZ250F to the family. And I hope everybody has a wonderful rest of their day as always. And I'll see you guys in the
Next one. Peace.
peace. Happy Halloween, trick or treat.